Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle balloon decoration. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a sturdy circular frame, usually around 6 to 7.5 feet tall, to serve as your base. Next, collect a variety of latex balloons in different sizes, like 5, 11, and 17 inches, to create a dynamic look. An electric balloon pump will make inflation much faster. And don't forget your 260 modeling balloons, or zip ties for securing everything. Now let's inflate your balloons. For an organic, full appearance, inflate balloons to varying sizes, not all to their maximum capacity. Gently press each balloon against a surface to round it out and release a little air, which also helps prevent popping. Next, create balloon pairs by tying 2 inflated balloons together at their necks. Then, form quads by twisting 2 of these balloon pairs together, ensuring their necks meet in the center. With your quads ready, it's time to attach them to your circular frame. Start at the base, camouflaging the stand's feet. Slip a quad onto the frame, ensuring the nozzles touch the metal. Secure it by twisting 2 balloons around the frame, locking the cluster in place. For areas near the floor or to fill smaller gaps, use 260 modeling balloons to tie clusters to the frame. Nestling clusters closely together is key to achieving a full, seamless appearance. To complete your decoration, fill any small gaps using 5-inch mini quads for a polished, professional look. Enhance the design by adding decorative elements like faux greenery. Simply tuck the stems between balloons, using the tension to hold them. For lasting impact, keep your finished arch indoors or in shaded outdoor areas, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This helps your beautiful balloon creation last longer and look vibrant for your entire event.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.